In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Calendar with Zapier. Whether you want to automate your workflows or ensure you never miss an important event, integrating these tools can streamline your productivity. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to zapier.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account yet, it's quick and easy to set one up. After logging in, you'll be on the dashboard where all the magic happens. You'll see a button that says Create Zap. Click on that to begin. Now, the first thing Zapier needs from you is to select a trigger app. A trigger is essentially the event that starts your Zap. In this case, we'd like Google Calendar to be our trigger app. Google Calendar is an excellent tool for managing your appointments, and with Zapier, you can amplify its functionality by connecting it with thousands of other apps. Next, it's time to choose the specific event trigger, which can be something like new event or event start. Each trigger performs different actions, so think about what works best for your needs. Once selected, you'll need to connect your Google account to Zapier. This step is crucial as it allows Zapier to link with your specific Google Calendar and pull in data relevant to the events you select. Don't forget to pick the specific calendar you want to sync. This is especially important if you manage multiple calendars, as it ensures Zapier interacts with the right one. With your trigger set up, it's time to configure the action app. The action is what happens once the event in Google Calendar occurs. You might choose options like sending an email, creating a task, or maybe updating a spreadsheet. The beauty of using Zapier is in its versatility, as you can customize the actions based on your business or personal needs. Once you've outlined the desired action, it's good practice to test your Zap. This test will ensure everything runs smoothly and that the integration between Google Calendar and your chosen action app is set up correctly. If everything looks good with the test, you'll see a successful message indicating your Zap is ready to be activated. Finally, if your test was successful, all that's left to do is click Publish to activate your Zap. Congratulations, your Zap is now live. With this setup, you can now enjoy the seamless automation between Google Calendar and the app you connected, allowing you more time to focus on what truly matters. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Google Calendar with Zapier, opening up a new realm of productivity and automation. Thank you for joining me today, and happy automating. Remember to check back for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital life.